There are a bunch of different ways to change text in Google Docs. One way is you always have to start out by highlighting the text you want to change. The first way is by bolding it, which you do by clicking this icon or pressing Control B, which does it and then undoes it. You can also italicize it by pressing Control I or this little slanted I icon at the top. You can underline it by pressing Control U. You can change the color of the text by pressing this underlined A, and the underline shows you what color it is. So if you wanted to make it green, you would select green. And you can highlight it by clicking this highlighter and selecting a color. You can I'm gonna make this hot. You can increase the size of text by pressing Control Shift period, or you can decrease the size of text by pressing Control Shift comma. You can also do these using these little plus and minus signs at the top, or you can go to something and you can just select whatever, you can type in whatever number you want. So if I want it really big, it's that simple. You can also change the font, and to do this you select it, and you have all these fonts to choose from. So there's some pretty interesting fonts in here that you can choose from. And as you can see, you scroll down and there are all these different ways, and they even have their own options in them.